Hello class! So for this presentation, we're actually going to stay out of the slideshow mode because I'm going to show you how to use some simple features in Google Slides. This will help you with your upcoming project and presentation. So features in Google Slides, a tour of some basics with Ms. G. So first we're going to talk about background and borders. So background is the color or image behind all of the other parts. Right now, our background is yellow, but if we change it here, we can switch it to white. So that's right here. That's going to be the background button up there. You can also add a border to boxes. So any of these text boxes can have a border added to them. You do that by hitting the object you want to have a border. You can add a color, you can make it a certain thickness, and you can make it a certain style. So, orange, thickness of 3, and a dashed line. Next I want to talk a little bit about font. So font is the shape and size of the letters. So here are some example fonts, some normal ones and some fun ones. And here's what font size looks like. You can also see that you can change any of these up here. So this would be the font, the actual style of the font. This would be the size that you can grow, shrink, you can select, or you can even just type number. It's also where you can do things like bold, italics, and underline. And you can add a color. Next I want to talk about theme and layout. So theme is what the slides all look like. So Google Slides comes with preset themes, which I recommend that you use when you first start out. So you can do something like this one called Paperback that changes the font and really changes that first slide the most. Or you can pick one like this that changes everything to blue. And these all come preset. I'm going to go back to Simple Light, which is what I started out on. Layout, if you exit out of themes, is how the page is set up. So right now it's a title box and a regular text box, but I can change it to a title and 2 text boxes. You can see it there and there. Or you can even push it off to the side, like that. And last but not least, you could do something like that has the title, a subtitle, and all of your text over here. So that's a few different layouts. Next, I'm going to show you how to insert something. So that's the insert button up here. You can insert an image and upload it from your computer. So let's take this puppy, for example. He's very cute. You can insert a table, word art, and all the rest of these things. And you can insert a video from YouTube by pasting in the link, searching it, and it'll show up. Insert, and there it is. There's our video. The last thing I want to go over is transitions and animations. So you're going to hit transition up here. Transition is how one slide moves to the next. So right now, out of all of these, I have it set to slide from the right, and I have it on medium. You can apply it to all the slides, and this is what it will look like. Okay, so that's what sliding in looks like. You can apply whatever transitions you want. I encourage you to play around with it. And I also encourage you to play around with animation. So you're going to select what you want to animate, hit animate, and it actually shows you the same panel from before. So we're going to go just with this. A bunch of options. We're going to do fade in and on click. So again, the transition from before and the animation of the donkey fading in. So this has just been a quick how to use Google Slides. If you have any questions, please let me know. I encourage you to play around. That is the best way to figure things out. And of course, there's a bunch of different videos and instructions on the internet that I do encourage you to take a look at. Have a great day, guys.